Hey, what's up? So I gotta go out and print up a shipping label for this lens that I bought. It's a Canon 24mm F2.8 lens, little pancake lens, whatever it's called. I don't know, I'm not a lens expert. I bought this lens and it's super loud. When I'm trying to do videos, it's like, here, let me show you. It's mostly when the camera goes in and out of focus. You should hear it adjusting. And this might not seem like a big deal right now while I'm sitting down, but I noticed that when I was walking around or shooting different things like in handheld mode, I would hear it was kind of annoying. So for me, there's no real benefits to having this lens over the kit lens that came with the camera. Now I bought this thing at Best Buy, and when I bought it, I bought the extended Geek Squad warranty stuff with it, which the kid was like, you should totally buy this. And I did, and it's been both like a good thing and a bad thing. The good thing is that because I bought it like a couple of months ago, I'm still able to return it, but I have to print up a shipping label and actually ship it to them, and they'll send it back to me because I'm not happy with how noisy it is. It pretty much covers anything, and they'll give me a Best Buy gift card of equal amounts, and I'll get something else that's cool. The con to that is I probably should have just bought it closer to when I would have used it, and then put it on the camera, used it, realized I didn't like it, and just returned it in person, because then I would have been done like that, and I wouldn't have to go through the whole hassle of shipping it out. Plus I would have saved like 10 bucks, but you know what, that's okay. It happens. So I'm gonna go ship this off. That's the plan for today. I wasn't overly happy with it, but I mean, it might work for some people. Perfect, that's nice and secure, so we can get this mailed off. Unfortunately, I don't have time to do it right now. I have to go to work. So we're gonna have to drop this off at UPS like tomorrow, and then they'll send it off to be processed. All right, let's go to work. I just got home from work and I got a really bad headache, and it's like kinda late. So I'm gonna try to get this vlog edited and uploaded, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. Anyway, I love you lots. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.